All right, let's talk Google Ads. 74 billion people go to Google every month. They make up about 76% of the total search engine market, and their ads make up 73% of paid search. Guys, they're the 800-pound gorilla in the room, and here's how you can take advantage of that.
Get started by going to ads.google.com. Go ahead and click on Sign In. If you don't already have an ads account, you can create a new account right now. Otherwise, it will take you right into the ads account. Go ahead and click on the Switch to Expert mode. This will give you all the options to be able to create an optimized ad. Start off by clicking on Website Traffic. There are 3 types of ads that we suggest you get started with: search ads, display ads, and video ads. Please note that you have to have a YouTube channel to be able to run a video ad. A search ad is kind of self-explanatory. Somebody searches for some keywords, like mortgage broker near me, and at the very top, the ads display. Display ads work a little bit differently. When somebody is reading an article or surfing a page on the web, display ads show up on the page itself. You see here we have a display ad to the right, display ads breaking up our article, another video ad / display ad, another display ad, another display ad. These are where your display ads will appear. Next are your video ads. They may show up at the very top of your suggested videos, or they'll show up at the very beginning of a video itself. I'm sure you've all seen it. Watched 5 seconds of an ad on YouTube and then clicked on that skip button. Well, that very beginning thing is a ad, and specifically it's a video ad that was created in Google Ads. We're going to start you off by selecting display ad. Go ahead and select the standard and put in your web address. If you haven't already created a conversion action, go ahead and click on that button and email the instructions to your webmaster or web developer. Go ahead and click on continue. And go ahead and name your campaign. We like to use the same campaign name as we did for our title in our content, and the same campaign name that we use to distribute across the other platforms. Next, you're going to enter your location. For us, we're going to enter Pinellas County. However, you can enter your locations by state, county, zip code, or city. Verify that your language is the same language as your advertisement, and then go ahead and set your bidding to maximize traffic or to maximize conversions if you have your conversion tracking code set up. Next, you're going to want to set your budget. Typically, we like to set the budget to $1 a day when you're getting started. This is so that you can just kind of become familiar with the application itself and how to create an ad. Go ahead and name your ad group the same as your campaign. This will help you recognize campaigns and ad groups as you're getting started. And then go ahead and select your audiences. Go ahead and search. In this case, we're just going to use a mortgage broker as an example. He's going to use the keyword of mortgage, and then search for audiences that match home loans, mortgage refinancing, mortgages, and these are all the in-market audiences. After you set your audience, you can go to demographics and target based off of gender, age, parental status, and income. You can also set additional targeting such as keywords, topics, and placements. Next, you're going to want to set your final target. This is where visitors are going to go after clicking on your ad. It is important that you set up a UTM tracking code so that you know how well your ad is performing when you look at Google Analytics. You can do this by adding a new tab in your browser. Go ahead and search for UTM Builder. This will bring up Google's UTM Campaign Builder. Go ahead and click on the link. Next, we're going to want to paste in our final target. Then we're going to want to add the campaign source. In this case, it's going to be Google. Now, the campaign medium is going to be our display ad. And the campaign name, well, it's going to be the campaign name. The same thing that we've been using for our campaign, our ad set, and our ad. Go ahead and get that in there. After you have those fields set, you can click on copy link, go back to your ad, and go ahead and paste in your final URL. Next, we're going to want to add images and logos. It's scanning the website, but you can also upload from your computer. Click on upload and then choose your files. We're going to go ahead and select some images that we have in our downloads and bring them in. It can take a minute or two for these to load. Once your images have loaded, you're going to need to select them one by one and adjust, and then select the ratios. You can click on select ratios in the lower left-hand corner. Go ahead and select the next image, adjust, and click on select ratios. Continue to repeat until all of your photos have been loaded. Once you have all your images loaded, you can go ahead and click on the save button. Next, you can click on the plus button next to the videos. Paste your YouTube URL into the search field and go ahead and click on your video. Then click on save to upload the video. Next, you can add headlines, descriptions, and long headline to be able to get people to click through on your ad. Typically what you want to do is use the same language and sentences that you used in your post earlier. Now that you've written your headlines and descriptions, go ahead and add your business name. Remember, your business name has to be 25 characters or less. And then go ahead and click on Create Campaign, and you have yourself your very first Google ad. If you need any help with setting up your ads or any of your other marketing campaigns, you know where to find us.